Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mr. Mess Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cut pineapple. Very easy way. You will never go back to the store to buy some cut pineapple already, because you're going to learn today how to cut it. So before further ado, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my simple and beautiful tutorials. So if you're ready to learn how to cut pineapple, stay tuned, put on your seatbelt, and let's step on the gas. Okay, so to start, we're gonna cut the top. And of course the bottom of the pineapple. So once you cut the top and the bottom, now you're gonna cut the skin. You cut the skin this way. And if you see any dots, any black dot, make sure you get rid of them. So you're gonna just cut like this, just around it. Just gonna go around. You take your time, you know. Make sure you don't remove too much meat. That's how it goes. Keep cutting, keep cutting. Okay, so once we're done with our first step, now we're gonna cut our pineapple in half. Just like that. And then you're gonna lay down on this side and then cut in half again. You're gonna do the same thing for the second half. Just cut right in half. And then you're gonna see the middle part. There's a very hard part right there. You don't need that part. So you're gonna sit it right straight up like that, and then you're gonna cut that hard part you don't need. Just make sure you don't remove too much meat. You're gonna only remove this big hard part, you know. It's very sour and you don't need that part. Once you're done cutting this way, you can just go ahead and cut it in small pieces, or you can cut in another half and now cut in some pieces, just like that. So we're gonna do the same for the remaining pineapples. So you go ahead and cut the big piece, this hard piece right there. You don't need that, it's very hard. Same for this. And this. And then you go ahead and cut them in half, just like that. Half and half. And now you chop it, you know, cut in small pieces. And the last one, cut in small pieces. And we are done. So this process took us about 1 minute, I can say, or 2. Oh wow, you went from this to this in no time, in some few steps, and you already have your pineapple ready to go. You can just eat it like that, or you can also use it in some smoothie, in any other kind of pineapple recipes. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Very simple and easy tip how to cut pineapple at home. Very easy. So if you like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and beautiful tutorial. Peace.